The different municipalities comprising the province of Sarangani in Region 12 or SOCCSKSARGEN region. The province of Sarangani has the municipality of Alabel as its provincial center or provincial capital. It is a part of the Mindanao Island Group in the Region 12 or SOCCSKSARGEN region. It is composed of 0 city, 7 municipalities, and 141 barangays. It was founded on November 28, 1992. The total land area is 3,601.25 kilometers squared or 1,390.45 square miles. The province of Sarangani is bordered clockwise from the north by South Cotabato, Davao del Sur, Davao Occidental, Celebesi, and Sultan Kudarat. Here are the different municipalities comprising the province of Sarangani in Region 12 or SOCCSKSARGEN region. We have the municipality of Alabel with 13 barangays. This also serves as the provincial center or the provincial capital. We also have the municipality of Glan with 31 barangays, municipality of Kiamba with 19 barangays, municipality of Maasim with 16 barangays, municipality of Maitom with 19 barangays, municipality of Malapatan with 12 barangays, and the municipality of Malungon with 31 barangays. And that is all about the different municipalities comprising the province of Sarangani in Region 12 or SOCCSKSARGEN region. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.